Welcome to Prague, the city of 100 spires. Our journey begins in the heart of the city, the Old Town Square. For nearly 1,000 years, this has been the soul of Prague, dominated by the Gothic towers of the Teen Church. But the true star is the horloge, the medieval astronomical clock, the oldest functioning clock of its kind in the world. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Every hour, the Walk of the Apostles begins, a mechanical masterpiece that has fascinated visitors for centuries. This is just the start. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. In part 2, we'll cross the Vltava to explore the secrets of the legendary Prague Castle. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.